What is going on right now?
Fire alarm! It hurts my ears. And Diana's being weird. That's normal in a weird kind of way.
What did we just do?
We made lamingtons! And they look legit. Ew. Ew. Ew, that's unsanitary. She's gonna give me HIV.
At least it'll be a mild case.
A mild case of HIV. Which leads to only a mild case of AIDS.
Other camera. Play.
Stop it!
No.
Rosie's very worried for our lamingtons. Exaggerated head motion.
And we go in and when we're chocolate.
You created such a monster.
That she will suffer the consequences. My sweetness will.
Maybe that's why you don't get along with your roommate. I have just solved the problem. Or maybe it's that she's a crybaby. That could be it too.
She's out of her
Oh really?
making out.
Scandalous. Ew, ew, ew.
She was driving